This is the David's 4-pack of a variety of sunflower seeds. They come in different packs with different flavors, and I had never tried anything other than the David's Originals, which I absolutely love. I'd seen these in the store, but never tried them before, so I got the 4-pack with the original, the barbecue, the ranch, and the sweet and spicy, which I've completely eaten at this point because they are my absolute favorite thing in the world at this point. I never knew how good something like this could be, and each of these flavors in itself is just fantastic. Really like the ranch and the barbecue. This stuff way exceeds my expectations as far as sunflower seeds go because I'd only eaten the originals before. It's hard to stop. And they came safely arrived in a bag, all 4-pack together, fresh, very fresh. We've got resealable bags on the top that are easy to seal and unseal. The sunflower seeds are very fresh. They taste great. If you've only tried original sunflower seeds before and haven't tried any of the various flavors, I would suggest getting a different pack and giving it a shot because it is something that I never knew I needed in my life, and they are awesome. And these sweet and spicy ones in particular are my new favorite thing. I love them.